Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create Zengo wallet account on mobile device. Zengo is the most secure crypto wallet. Zengo is regularly audited and committed to open source and has no seed phrase vulnerability. Now, firstly, make sure you already have the application on your device. You will be led to this page. All you have to do is tap on continue. Now here, firstly, you need to enter your email. If you have a referral code, then you can tap over there and enter your referral code. If you don't, then you have to simply enter your email. After that, you need to do is tap on continue. Here now you will be led to this page. You can see the option open my email. Tap over there. Now tap to confirm. Again, you will be led to this kind of interface. All you have to do is tap on continue. Now here you need to secure your account with Face ID. This is how they make sure that you can only access to your wallet. Now you have to tap on enable Face ID. In case if you don't want your Face ID, then you can also enter your iPhone passcode for Zengo. Again, you will be led to this kind of interface where they will be asking how do you want to get started. You can tap on any of them. Now you can see that you have created yourself a Zengo wallet account. And this is how you create Zengo wallet account on mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.